Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. I think it is familiar to everyone in the share market. So there is nothing to explain about the company. It is a state-owned company and it's under the space of capital goods, just like L&T. So this share was traded above 1500 2000 rupees few years back. After that it comes down. Now the face value of the company is 2 rupees. The last traded price of the company is I think it is 57 rupees 80 paisa. So due to some problems of non-execution orders, something like that, the company was not in limelight for the last few years. But I think this is the best opportunity for now to enter into this share. I always say that every market will give us a opportunity to enter into a very good share. So BHL also given an opportunity now to enter into that share at this level, because so many factors are there in order to trigger the price of the company now. The first reason I like to share with you is that BHL will be the number one beneficiaries in the electrical space. When I put a video about Tata Power, I mentioned BHL in my video. So in electrical space, I think Tata Power and BHL will provide charging stations. These two companies will be the main players in the charging station space. So in order to see the future prospects of the company, we can enter at this stage because the share price of the company is very cheap. It is the only company under the capital goods sector which are available at a cheap rate. The valuation of the company is very good, and now the valuation of the company is again going up one by one. The management of the company was changed. So many good management heads was coming the head of the company. So we can expect more good things from the side of the company. Second, it had a great orders in their hand. It had healthy orders in their hand, and the company expects the order to be executed in the next quarters, and after execution orders, the same will be reflected in the coming quarters also. Before PHL getting order, but the execution is not up to the mark. So now the company was changed, and now the company is ready to execute all the orders. So the execution orders are also in very good manner now. So the company had a good order position, and the management is very confident of getting more orders in the future also, and they can able to execute all the orders. The third thing is that the company is going to entering the manufacture so many other items. They are going to, the company recently said that they are going to manufacture telecom equipments, they are going to manufacture medical equipments. So everything is in niche area in India. So they are going to enter into every areas of every critical areas, very crucial areas of operations in India. So it will play a vital role in most of the special areas of India. And recently the company said that they are going to reduce the interest burden. And another thing is that they are also going to manufacture oxygen, and going to supply it to the hospitals also. And recently there is news that they are going to sell the subsidiary. The subsidiary is EML. They are going to sell the subsidiary EML to the state government of Kerala. So in order to reduce the debt and the interest cost, which is very good for the company. And second thing is that they are also going to manufacture containers also. So in all the main areas of India, these containers, telecom sector, medical equipments, everything they are going to manufacture. And in our last budget, our esteemed finance minister gives special emphasis on the power sector, that will also directly benefit the Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. So for short-term traders as well as for long-term investors, this is the ample opportunity to enter into the share. For short-term traders, if the share goes to 68, 78 rupees, 70 rupees, they can book their orders. For long-term investors, they can wait for if they can wait for one more year. I think they can expect the price of 150 range. And one more thing is that in technical side also, if you look at technical side, the 58 rupee 50 paisa, 58 to 59 range is the critical area for the share price to move up. So technical resistance are there. If you can able to cross 59 rupees, I'm sure that it will go to 70 levels for short term. So within, if anything adverse not happen due to corona, within 7 or 10 days, the share will go to 70 levels for the short term traders, and for long term traders, I expect a rate of 150 rupees. As usual, I am saying that this is my personal view about the company. You please consult your own advisor before taking position in this company. And if anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends and relatives. Don't forget to press the I button in order to get my notifications. Thank you very much.